First up is the Icon Professional Digital Display Circuit Tester, a massive upgrade for electrical diagnostics. This isn't your average test light. It features a clear digital display for real-time voltage readings. The kit comes with interchangeable shanks, allowing you to reach deep into connectors or tight spaces easily. It is designed for circuits from 3 to 30 volts, making it perfect for modern automotive systems. The long-reach cord ensures you can move around the vehicle without constantly repositioning your ground clip. With a rugged build quality, it feels professional in the hand and stands up to shop abuse. If you want to stop guessing and start seeing exactly what's happening, this is the tool. Next, we have the Airless Manual Brake Fluid Pressure Bleeder, designed to make brake service a breeze. This 2-liter capacity unit allows for a complete fluid flush without needing a second person nearby. The manual pump build means you don't need an air compressor, making it incredibly portable and versatile. It features a built-in pressure gauge so you can monitor the system safely while you are working. The Quick Connect coupler ensures a leak-free seal every time you attach it to the master cylinder. It is compatible with many master cylinder adapters, allowing you to service a wide range of vehicles. Forget the old pump and hold method. This tool turns a messy 2-man job into a clean solo operation. Safety and convenience come together in the Lisle Lift Support Clamp, a simple but brilliant shop addition. We've all dealt with failing gas struts that won't hold up a heavy hood or a trunk. This clamp securely locks onto the lift support rod to prevent accidental closing while you are working. What sets this apart is the integrated magnet, which holds the tool in place when not in use. The brass tip on the thumb screw prevents damage to the lift support rod during every application. It's a small investment that provides huge peace of mind when you're leaning deep into an engine. No more propping things up with 2x4s. Just clamp it, lock it, and get the job done. The AstroTools Nano Flex Head Angle Impact Wrench is a total lifesaver for those impossibly tight engine bays. This 1/2-inch drive monster packs a punch while maintaining an incredibly slim and compact profile for users. The head flexes nearly 180 degrees, giving you the perfect angle on those hidden bolts. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive torque to break loose stubborn fasteners in very confined spaces. It's essentially an impact wrench and a flex head ratchet combined into one powerful, air-driven shop tool. The ergonomic handle provides a solid grip even when your hands are covered in oil or grease. Every mechanic knows that one bolt that ruins your day. This is the tool that finally beats it. Keeping components clean is essential, and the SCA 12-liter parts washer is the perfect benchtop solution. This compact unit is ideal for small workshops or home garages where floor space is limited today. It features a recirculating pump and a flexible nozzle to target grime on gears, bolts, and bearings. The sturdy steel construction ensures it can handle heavy metal parts without any flexing or structural issues. The internal tray helps drain fluid away from your parts while you scrub them with a brush. It runs on standard mains power, making it easy to set up anywhere you have a workbench. Stop using messy spray cans and start cleaning your components like a true professional in the shop. Diagnostics get a visual upgrade with the TOPDON thermal infrared cameras, the TC004 and TC005 models. These devices allow you to see heat signatures, instantly revealing misfires, clogged radiators, or sticking brake calipers. The high-resolution thermal sensors provide a crystal-clear image of temperature variations across the entire vehicle surface. With a long-lasting battery and rugged housing, they are built to survive the daily grind of automotive work. You can capture images or videos to show customers exactly where their vehicle's problem is occurring now. The TC005 offers even more advanced features for professional technicians who need the highest level of detail. It's like having X-ray vision for heat, making troubleshooting faster and much more accurate for every tech. Plastic repair is easier than ever with Polyvance's Mini-Weld Model 7, a specialized airless welder for pros. This kit allows you to fix cracked bumpers, headlight tabs, and interior trim with professional-grade strength results. The airless design means you don't need a bulky compressor, making it very portable around the shop. It comes with various welding rods to match the specific plastic types found on modern vehicles today. The high-temperature heating element ensures a deep, strong bond that is often stronger than the original part. It includes a stainless steel wire mesh for reinforcing repairs on high-stress areas like mounting tabs or clips. Save money on expensive replacement parts by mastering the art of plastic welding with this reliable kit. Lighting up your workspace is critical, and the Astro 80SL Slim Light provides 800 lumens. This light features a unique quick swap system, allowing you to change battery packs in just a second. The ultra-thin design allows it to slip into the narrowest gaps between the engine and the firewall. It features a dimming wheel, so you can adjust the brightness to the perfect level for you. The magnetic base and collapsible hook provide multiple hands-free mounting options for any job you are doing. It is rechargeable via USB-C, ensuring it is always ready to go when the sun goes down. Stop working in the shadows and upgrade to a light that actually fits where you need it. Removing and installing power steering pulleys can be a nightmare without the Airless Pulley Service Set Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed to work on most domestic and import vehicles without damaging any components. It includes all the necessary adapters to pull and press pulleys back on with total mechanical precision. The heavy-duty carrying case keeps everything organized so you aren't hunting for small parts during a job. Each piece is crafted from high-strength steel to ensure it won't bend or break under high pressure. The clear instructions make it easy for even a beginner to perform this common but tricky maintenance task. Avoid the frustration of improvised tools and use a professional set that gets it right every time. For mobile detailing or quick shop cleanups, the Teslong portable electric pressure washer is a game changer. It features a 22-liter tank and a foldable design, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. The 4-in-1 nozzle allows you to switch between different spray patterns without changing any physical tips today. Operating at 72 psi, it provides enough pressure to wash away mud and grime without damaging paint. Because it is cordless and battery-powered, you can use it anywhere without hunting for a hose or outlet. The integrated tank means you are completely self-contained, which is perfect for rinsing off parts or vehicles. It is a versatile cleaning machine that fits into the lifestyle of any busy mechanic or car enthusiast. Step into the future of automotive repair with the SPARQ AI Diagnostic Health Monitor for your car. This advanced tool plugs into the OBD port and uses artificial intelligence to analyze vehicle health data. It provides clear, plain English explanations of trouble codes instead of just giving you a random numeric string. The monitor constantly tracks engine performance and can predict potential failures before they actually leave you stranded. It syncs with your smartphone to give you a detailed dashboard of everything happening under the vehicle hood. Professional mechanics can use it to provide customers with a high-tech health report for their entire vehicle. It is the ultimate bridge between traditional mechanical work and the new world of AI-driven diagnostics. Installing stretch belts on double pulleys used to be nearly impossible, but the Lisle 59350 makes it simple. This tool is specifically engineered to guide the belt onto the pulley without damaging the delicate rubber ribs. It works on a variety of vehicles that utilize stretch belt technology for their accessory drives and systems. The compact design allows it to fit into tight spaces where traditional belt tools just cannot go today. Simply place the tool on the pulley, wrap the belt, and rotate the engine to seat it. It saves a massive amount of time and prevents the belt from stretching unevenly during the installation process. Keep this in your drawer for those modern engines that no longer use a traditional mechanical tensioner. When you need massive leverage in a tight spot, the Icon G2 extra long ratchets are the answer. These ratchets feature an extended handle design that allows you to break loose the most stubborn, rusted bolts. The 90-tooth gear mechanism provides a 4-degree arc swing, perfect for working in very cramped engine bays. With a polished chrome finish, they look great and are incredibly easy to wipe clean after a job. The flex head version gives you even more versatility by allowing you to reach around obstacles with total ease. They are built to professional standards, offering the strength of premium brands without the massive tool truck price. Every mechanic needs a set of long-reach ratchets, and these G2 models are among the best available. For heavy-duty bodywork and frame repair, the Power TEC Electro Power Accessory Kit is an essential pro set. This kit is designed to expand the capabilities of your existing hydraulic pulling and pushing equipment in shop. It includes a variety of specialized attachments like spreader toes and rubber heads for delicate or precise work. The high-quality construction ensures these accessories can handle the immense force required for modern frame straightening tasks. It comes in a durable blow-molded case to keep all the small attachments organized and ready for use. Whether you are pushing out a dent or aligning a frame, these tools provide the necessary grip. Upgrade your hydraulic setup with this versatile kit and take on more complex collision repair jobs today. Stop breaking those fragile plastic interior clips with the Airless clip remover pliers. built for delicate interior work. These pliers feature a unique head design that slides under the clip and pops it out safely. The cushioned handles provide a comfortable grip, allowing for precise control when you are working on trim. They are perfect for removing door panels, dashboard components, and engine bay plastic covers without any scratches. The slim profile allows them to reach into tight gaps where a standard screwdriver would simply fail today. Constructed from heat-treated steel, they are durable enough to last through years of heavy daily shop use. If you do any interior or bodywork, these pliers will save you from constantly buying replacement clips. The Griot's Garage Ultimate Wash Bucket 2 is the final word in car washing organization and efficiency. This isn't just a bucket. It features a built-in seat, specialized tool caddy, and high-quality locking casters. The grit guard at the bottom ensures that dirt and rocks stay away from your clean wash mitt. It holds 6 gallons of water, giving you plenty of capacity for even the largest trucks or SUVs. The molded-in measurements make it easy to get the perfect soap-to-water ratio every single time you wash. With its sturdy handle and rolling design, you can move it around the vehicle without any heavy lifting. Turn your detailing sessions into a more comfortable and organized experience with this top-tier wash bucket system. We've all dropped a bolt into the abyss, but the Tool Pro magnetic pickup tool finds it. This tool features a powerful magnet at the tip that can lift heavy sockets and dropped wrenches. The telescoping handle extends to reach deep into engine bays or behind heavy workbenches in your shop. Many versions also include an integrated LED light to help you spot the lost part in the dark. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip while you are fishing for those elusive nuts and bolts today. It collapses down to a pocket-friendly size so you can keep it on you at all times. It is the one tool you hope you never need, but you're always glad to have nearby. The Ryco Flexible Funnel is the ultimate solution for messy oil changes on vehicles with poorly placed filters. This tool can be shaped and molded into any form to create a custom channel for draining fluid. It stays in the shape you bend it into, allowing for hands-free operation while the oil is flowing. The nitrile rubber coating is resistant to all common automotive fluids, including oil, coolant, and brake fluid. After the job, simply wipe it clean and flatten it out for easy storage in your tool drawer. It prevents oil from spilling onto crossmembers and exhaust pipes, saving you hours of cleanup time later on. Never deal with a messy oil spill again thanks to this simple and incredibly effective flexible funnel design. Testing brake fluid is critical for safety, and the AstroTools AS506 offers the most accurate readings possible. Unlike cheap moisture testers, this device actually heats the fluid to determine its real-world boiling point today. It is compatible with many types, including DOT 3, 4, 5.1, and various specialized racing fluids. The digital display shows the temperature clearly, allowing you to see if the fluid needs immediate replacement now. It connects directly to the vehicle battery for power, making it easy to use anywhere in the shop. Providing a boiling point test is a great way to show customers that their brake fluid is failing. Ensure your customers' safety by providing a scientific test of their braking system's most critical fluid component. Finally, we have the AstroTools 658 Stubby Air Slide Hammer, a powerhouse in a small package. This tool uses air pressure to deliver rapid-fire impacts, making it perfect for pulling stubborn injectors or bearings. The stubby design allows it to fit into areas where a traditional long slide hammer simply won't fit. It features a standard thread size, making it compatible with many existing pulling attachments in your toolbox. The vibration is minimized through the handle design, allowing you to work longer without any hand fatigue. It turns a physically exhausting job into a quick and effortless task with just the pull of a trigger. Round out your collection with this compact air tool that delivers heavy-duty results on every single pull. That wraps up our 20 must-have mechanic tools for 2026. Thanks for watching Top Tech Tools. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you never miss an update. Let us know your favorite tool in the comments.